Kitchen organization is a problem that every family faces. A neat and orderly kitchen not only improves quality of life, but also inspires cooking atmosphere for homeowner. So how to make the kitchen a neat and organized space, so that cooking becomes a pleasure rather than a burden? This requires us to carry out kitchen storage remodeling. In order to store items better, can use various organizers, like pull-out baskets for the kitchenwares, and different layers for different storage requests. Spicy basket can be used for a spicy and small items. Lifter can be used for when you take the items on the top. Also, drawers can be multifunctional design. They can help us place items neatly in all corners of the kitchen and reduce wasted space. With this guide, Casa Custom believes you will be able to succeed in your kitchen storage remodeling. A neat and organized kitchen will not only improve your quality of life in kitchen, also make cooking process more enjoyable and efficient. Follow us and get more details.